Hi, I'm Amanda King. I'm a licensed massage therapist and certified zero balancing instructor. And I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what you can expect to learn in a Zero Balancing One workshop. We are going to be learning to touch the body in a new way to release deep imprints of pain, stress, injury, trauma, even emotional distress. And we're going to be doing this by working at the bone level. Second, we're going to be learning how to work with very clear structural and energetic boundaries. And this is especially important if you find you are drained or tired at the end of your workday. And third, we're going to be taking you on a magical mystery tour of your skeleton. In zero balancing, we have found that there are some really incredibly important areas of the skeleton and that if they're functioning properly, really help to amplify feelings of well-being, peace, along with energy and vitality. So I hope you'll join us for a Zero Balancing One workshop, and you can find one scheduled near you at www.zerobalancing.com. Thank you.